Aeronautical Engineering. Designing the future of flight. Aeronautical engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on the design, development, testing, and production of aircraft and related systems. It involves the application of principles from physics, mathematics, and materials science to create efficient, safe, and innovative flying vehicles. Key areas in aeronautical engineering. Number 1. Aerodynamics, study of the behavior of air as it flows around objects, such as wings and fuselages, to optimize lift, drag, and stability. Number 2. Propulsion, design and development of engines and propulsion systems, including jet engines, turboprops, and rocket engines. Number 3. Structures and materials, development of lightweight, durable materials to withstand the stresses of flight. Number 4. Flight mechanics, study of how aircraft respond to controls and external forces during flight. Number 5. Avionics, development of electronic systems for navigation, communication, and control. Number 6. Stability and control, ensuring that aircraft can maintain controlled flight under various conditions. Applications. Number 1. Design and manufacturing of commercial, military, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Number 2. Development of advanced flight systems and technologies. Number 3. Research in improving fuel efficiency and reducing environmental impact. Number 4. Exploration of space and development of spacecraft, overlapping with astronautical engineering. Required skills and knowledge. Number 1. Strong foundation in mathematics and physics. Number 2. Proficiency in computational tools and software like CAD, computer-aided design, and CFD, computational fluid dynamics. Number 3. Understanding of fluid dynamics, thermodynamics, and materials science. Analytical problem solving and teamwork. Career opportunities. Number 1. Aircraft manufacturers, e.g. Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin. Number 2. Space agencies, e.g. NASA, ESA, ISRO. Number 3. Research organizations and universities. Number 4. Defense contractors and government agencies. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.